everyone, welcome back to our video lessons. Today we have a very special unit. We're going to have a look at two major pop stars, one from the UK, Ed Sheeran, and another one from the USA, Ariana Grande. Right, let's go with the first one, Ed Sheeran from the UK, mainly from Yorkshire. He was born in 1991. He's a pop singer-songwriter and he mixes hip-hop, folk and other elements into his music. But overall, he's a pop star. His influences. He says that his early memories include listening to records such as Joni Mitchell's, Bob Dylan and his favourite Eric Clapton. During his childhood, his father took him to live concerts that would inspire his musical creations. Let's go and have a look at Ariana Grande. She was born in June 26, 1993. She's an American singer-songwriter and an actress too. She was born in Boca Raton, Florida. Her main influences, well, Grande says she grew up mainly listening to urban pop and 90s music. I love 90s music. And cited Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey as her major vocal influences, saying, "I love Mariah Carey, she's literally my favourite human being on the planet." And of course, Whitney Houston as well. Well guys, that was for today, your lesson of the week. Ed Sheeran, UK versus Ariana Grande from the USA. Next day, I will tell you all about two major pop stars from two different countries. Okay, bye for now.